Huawei has been working on various open source projects and building competitive commercial solutions. The session will share the participation, initiatives, learning, and experience with the open source ecosystem. They've been part of the Soda Foundation since its inception. Here to tell their story and where they see the Soda Foundation in the coming years is Jim Chen, Director, Data Storage and Intelligent Vision, Product Customer Experience, Huawei Technologies. Over to you, Jim.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. I'm Chen, and you can call me Jim. I'm the Director of Product Customer Experience Department in Huawei Data Storage Product Line. And I'm responsible for open source and product customer experience for data storage field. It's my honor that I can have a chance to talk something in SODACODE 2022. I joined in SODA community very early when it was known as OpenSDS way back in 2016. It was my first open source project. Over the years, I have witnessed the rapid growth of the community and made many friends around the world and learned a lot. This made me realize the power of open source even more deeply. I think open source has a magic power. It can promote technology innovation, solution innovation, and even industry innovation. It enables collaboration and connective strengths to build products and solutions, which are useful for many across the world. Today, open source ecosystem is also becoming a place for research for future technology. This is an important aspect for all the developers and organizations to watch out. As an organization, Huawei has been collaborating, contributing, and supporting open source ecosystem in various ways. Our journey with open source was full of learning. Through this learning process, we have taken steps to improve our approach and effectiveness, starting from internal compliance system strategy, enabling and supporting easy contribution and collaboration. We could successfully work with multiple projects and it helped our products as well. Also, there are multiple projects initiated by our organization and later contributed to different foundations such as Apache, Linux Foundation, SynSafe, the project like Carbon Data, QVH, to name a few. We also have independent open source projects working with community including students and professionals. It is always important to support collaborative ecosystem and be part of it. Open source ecosystem life cycle helps all entities involved. That's very important for project success. This shows some of the key collaboration steps from our side. Through different projects, foundations, and other initiatives, it continues. We have a very strong connect and collaboration with Soda Foundation, which has grown with close to 30 partners and multiple external projects in short time. We hope it can support to build successful data and storage products in coming years. Today, the technology space you see, is very unpredictable and dynamic. New technologies come in. Some can be disrupting, and more importantly, there are new products for life because our demand are never ending. If you see the latest technology trends, most of the technologies are supporting to make us all connected anywhere and everywhere. Any solution we started calling with I because everything is becoming intelligent as well. The research and the development needs to be faster. So building common platforms in open source with collaborative power makes more sense. It helps. It also helps to get various use case view and requirements from industry. We saw the collaborative development is becoming normal in general. How about for data and storage? The situation is that we need to live with multiple application platforms, different use case domains like edge, enterprise, and cloud, and multiple storage vendors, including new cloud storage solution. This is in fact on top of the usual storage challenges of format, like file, object block, and application-specific data management. The latest trends from industry and SODACODE2022 and Storage Survey 2021 show interesting findings. It indicates that storage as a service, SaaS, is further moving towards container storage as a service. This is evident from this report that application deployments are moving significantly towards container-based deployments, and also the cloud service usage are growing. So today the buzzword is multi-cloud data management. The platforms and vendors are responding to the trend, hence the solutions. So today, the data solutions are not just the storage vendor or storage box alone. It is going beyond storage boxes with multi-layer platform solutions with different components from open source, third-party, and vendors. This is to meet the use case demands in a scalable way. In a way, it is a good moment, and it can help to build a good ecosystem across developers, vendors, and users. Like we discussed, collaborative development and the community ecosystem can accelerate cloud native, and intelligent data management trends. The ecosystem is driven by the users. Vendors try to respond first, so users and vendors bring a new project. In open source, one of the better ways is to collaborate with established foundations or communities to avoid the starving barrier and operational inefficiencies. Open source ecosystem enables a global team for the project. This is the success of any open source project. SODA is one such open source initiative to solve data and storage challenges. It works with end users, vendors, other partnering organizations, and developers. Another interesting thing is SODA tries to consider the end-user requirements as priority. The new projects like Kahoo for container data management and Como for data lake solutions are interesting and future-looking. SODACODE is a very good initiative from SODA Foundation to encourage and support to bring more developers to open source. It can help to build a skilled software engineers community. I hope SODA can continue this every year and also bring more such positive steps. We are happy to be part of SODA, and we hope to see projects and solutions coming out of SODA which can be deployed for products successfully. That's all from me today. Thanks a lot for listening to me, and wish you have a nice day with other sessions at SODACON, SODACODE 2022. By the way, congratulations to all the winners of SODACODE. Thank you.
Thank you, Jim, for the keynote as well as the wishes. With that, ladies and gentlemen, others, we will now move to the next session, and that is going to be the winner announcement. So let's head on over to the winner announcement.